CrypticVPN promises to be a strong contender in the crowded VPN market. But before you make the jump, there are 12 things you need to know about it. With so many options out there like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and CyberGhost, CrypticVPN has some unique features. Yet, it might not be the best fit for everyone. So let's break it down. Stick around till the end for an alternative you might like even more. The first thing you should know about CrypticVPN is its pricing structure. Compared to industry leaders like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, CrypticVPN tends to be more affordable, especially if you're looking for a long-term plan. However, this affordability comes at a cost in terms of features. The second thing is its server network. CrypticVPN doesn't have as many servers as the bigger competitors, which could impact your speeds or the availability of servers in specific regions. While it covers many major countries, some more remote locations might not be supported. Next thing to note is the performance. In terms of speed, CrypticVPN does offer decent speeds for regular browsing and streaming. However, when compared to top-tier services, it might not hold up as well in countries with heavy restrictions, like China. If you're planning on using it in those regions, you might need a more robust option. The fourth thing is their device compatibility. CrypticVPN supports all the main platforms: Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, but you'll notice it doesn't have as many specialized apps or support for certain devices like some of the competition. If you're looking for a VPN that works on smart TVs, game consoles, or routers, you might feel limited here. The fifth thing to consider is its no-logs policy. CrypticVPN claims to have a no-logs policy, but there's always some level of doubt when it comes to smaller providers. Bigger names like ExpressVPN and NordVPN have been independently audited to confirm their no-log status, which adds a layer of trust. CrypticVPN's privacy policy is clear, but it hasn't been independently verified yet. Next, let's talk about streaming. CrypticVPN works well with most popular streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and BBC iPlayer. But if you're specifically into unblocking libraries from countries with stricter content limitations, top competitors like CyberGhost or NordVPN have more proven results with more international libraries. The seventh thing is its security features. CrypticVPN uses strong encryption and protocols like OpenVPN and WireGuard, similar to what you'd find with top VPN services. That said, it doesn't offer some of the advanced features like double VPN or threat protection, which you might find with NordVPN or ExpressVPN. The eighth thing is customer support. CrypticVPN offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a big plus for troubleshooting. However, some users have reported that the response time is a bit slower than bigger services, and the quality of the support can vary. Now, let's talk about pricing flexibility. The ninth thing to know is that CrypticVPN doesn't offer as many flexible payment options as other competitors. While it supports major credit cards, PayPal, and some crypto options, it lacks the extensive payment methods some users might prefer, such as gift cards or region-specific alternatives. The 10th thing is its free trial. CrypticVPN offers a 7-day free trial, but it's only available for mobile users. If you're a desktop user, you'll have to rely on their money-back guarantee, which may feel a little less secure compared to some services that give free trials across all platforms. The 11th thing to consider is the user interface. CrypticVPN's app is easy to use, with a clean and intuitive layout. However, compared to other VPNs, some advanced settings might not be as easily accessible. If you like to customize your VPN experience, it could feel a little basic at times. The final thing you should know is that CrypticVPN's reputation is growing, but it's still not as established as the big names. While it's a good option for the price, it's still building a track record. If you're looking for a well-tested, highly trusted VPN, you might want to consider a more established name. So, there you have it. CrypticVPN is definitely a solid option for many users, especially if you're looking for an affordable choice with decent features. But, if you're looking for something more robust, with proven reliability, I'd recommend checking out our preferred solution. It offers a stronger server network, faster speed,